Alright, g'day guys, Mark Brady. I just wanted to do a quick Udemy review for you here today. Excuse me, I was just having a quick look around and noticed that some of the reviews were a bit older and a bit outdated, okay, and I'm a person that actually uses it pretty well. For those of you that don't know me, I'm a very, very successful affiliate marketer and list builder, so obviously solo ads are right up there as a big interest and a traffic source for me, okay, so look, I am a user at Udemy, so I want to give you an actual good look into I'm buying traffic as we speak. So a good recent current look at what's going on in here. Okay, so here you can see is my account. Um, I'll just show you. I've bought 14 solos recently. Okay, so I'll just show you. Excuse me, some of what's going on here. So you can see that I am actually buying solos. You can see 200 quickers, 1,000 quickers, stuff like that. Okay, so generally speaking, besides one so far, I've had everyone deliver so far, and obviously I have my squeeze pages all set up pretty well. Okay, and I'll be honest with you, I'm actually pretty profitable on some of these solos, which is pretty sweet. I didn't really expect that, given that they are very cheap. But yeah, look, one of the best practices we found, okay, you'll see below, I was actually buying 1,000 quick solos, which is pretty cool, but it tends to put a lot of extra pressure on the solo providers. So what we figured out between me and my partner is let's buy 200 quick solo ads, and they get delivered so much faster, and the quality tends to be a bit better. So there's a cool little best practice for you using Udemy is instead of going big, I know most people aren't buying 1,000 quick solos, but instead of going big, spread your money around 200 quick solos. Okay, I really love it also that I can use PayPal because being that we're, Warrior Plus JVZoo guys and we get a lot of instant commissions, I tend to spend, a fair bit of money out of my PayPal account, which is pretty cool, So the ways that, I just simply go in and go to the solo deals. You do have a list of people, okay, but I like to come to the deals because you get it a bit cheaper. Obviously, the cheaper we can get it, better. And look, guys, I've used, for example, Jason here. I'm not sure how to pronounce this guy's name, but I've used him as well, okay. And 35 cents per click is ridiculously cheap, but I'll tell you, they're converting really well. Like I said, keep in mind, buy 200 quick solos because you get them through a lot quicker and a lot better quality. It's kind of like the first 200 clicks you get are a bit better quality, and then once they're stretching over that, they're sort of really scraping the barrel, okay? So hopefully that makes sense for you. So look, I can 100% guarantee and attest to the fact that I'm making really good cash with it. If those of you know me, Vicky Babe on the Warrior Forum, you'll see me at the top of a lot of leaderboards, beating a lot of guys out with our list building techniques and traffic, and this is one of our secret sources, okay? So the honest truth is I use this a fair bit, and I can't highly recommend it enough, okay? So there's some great solo traffic to be had here. Keep in mind it is solo ad traffic, okay? But as far as I'm concerned, if a solo ad person opens and clicks an email, they're a perfect subscriber because then it's up to me to do the converting of them, okay, into sales. So yeah, look, highly recommend it. And look, I like it that much that if you haven't joined Udemy as yet, and you're interested, if you use my link below to join, you'll see the link in the description. Then I've actually got a $5 discount attached to that for you as well, so you can jump in and get a $5 discount on your first solo. But I'll just show you very quickly how simple it is to get an order. So let's say we want to go with Jason here. We just click it, okay. Basically it gives you a rundown so you can get a good understanding of their reviews and all that type of stuff, okay. Click how many visitors you want. Like I said, I was buying 1,000. Pop that down to 200 visitors. Look at this. Pop in your solo link. You've got filters here so you can go no mobile if you want. A lot of solo traffic is mobile these days. Obviously, we're all picking up our phone and looking at our emails there, okay? But prime filter I highly recommend. But there you go. You see 73 bucks. Hit add to cart, take you through to PayPal, pay for it, done, bam, bam. Okay, simple as that. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, $5 discount on your first order if you do want to join. I can't recommend it highly enough, okay? So keep it quiet, though. Don't tell everybody because it is a pretty sweet traffic source for those of us that are using it. So thanks heaps for watching. If you like these types of videos, give me a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll start doing a lot more for you. So cheers, guys. See you soon.